So this is a video about my Elejoy solar panel multimeter, the EY1600W model. I purchased it in June this year and it's now September. This doesn't seem to be working. As you can see, I've got the MC4 test cables hooked up that came with the unit, and got our multimeter here to measure DC volts. So if we just hook up these cables, it's just going to be fun with one hand, as is the case with most people on the tubes. Let's see what we get. Negative is on, and now positive. Okay, so we're getting 34 volts off the panel in open circuit. And now we'll change over to amps, verify that there's some current there. This is my foot. Feet, always useful. For the current, we've got a nice 9 amps there. So the panel's definitely generating power. But if we hook the meter up, you can see I'm going to use the negative into negative of the meter. And now we hook in the positive, and we look at the meter, and nothing's happening. It's not turning on. No matter what buttons you press, it's just not responding. Brand new, never been used. It's just been sitting in storage for about 3 months, nicely packed in its EVA bag in a cool shed, so I don't understand why it's not working.